Charles Jackson.
You feel me? Broke arm.
How you break it?
Cut the cameras.
How much for the fit? Tell them I add you up. How much for the fit?
How much for the fit?
How much for the fit?
Like maybe like 150.
150K. 150K.
Nike socks probably like, you know, like two for 10.
2 for 10. 2 for 10.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like 60 racks.
60 racks. 60 racks.
You know what I'm saying? Beater.
Like
Balenciaga, you know.
Balenci beater. He got a Balenci
You know
beater.
what I'm saying? You know, that shit like 30 racks.
30 racks. 30 racks for the Balenci
Dang,
beater. Dang, Brody over here like he trying to top you. How much for the cast, my boy? How much for the cast?
No. Ice by J is getting molded right now. My bad.
Okay.
Your lighter feel it? Your lighter feel it? Whoever got a lighter. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't getting no good angle. Don't forget the little ass nigga. Man, so don't forget the one, man. Hold on. Hey, bro, let's see. Hold on. How much the fit cost, bro?
How much for the feet?
How much? Shoes first.
These are Balenciaga specialities. 35,000.
35,000.
50K for the jeans.
50K for the jeans.
Balenciaga as
Okay.
well. 30K for my
30K for the chain.
50K for my
50K for the
because I'm a
mental.
smart ass nigga. Actually, million
Watch out. Say your shit. You was going crazy, bro. We gotta get Ed. For the shorts.
Listen. Fuck all this material shit. All that matters is what's up here.
Yeah. Always matters with
$1 million mindset. And we out. Just like that, we out.
Subscribe down on TV.
So I'm out here in Miami today. I'm playing, but shit do look good. I'm down here at the fucking lake looking at these boats and shit. Like, I want one now. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this shit look dope as fuck. Like, I don't know. I just kind of imagine myself on one of these in the middle of the ocean type shit. I feel like that'd be dope. But I'll probably get one like that size. I don't really see myself getting one bigger than that. I don't know. We out here though. We out here. I ain't gonna lie. Like Milwaukee in the summertime, you know, I ain't gonna lie, the city's shitty in the winter, but in the summer, this motherfucker is actually nice as a bitch. Like, it be a lot going on and shit, you know, like, you know, the violence and shit, but like, you know, that's everywhere type shit. In the summer, if you just come downtown on a day like this motherfucker is really nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Milwaukee is actually 10 out of 10 IGN, for real, in the summer. Winter, this shit ass. I've never seen this bridge raised up before. It's a fat ass boat. Yeah, this is my first time seeing this fucking shit lift the fuck up. This shit look dope. Thought that motherfucker like split in two. I don't know what the fuck. This shit different. Okay. How did you find out about this?
Izzy.
Izzy, who the fuck is
My
Izzy?
nigga Nizzy.
Nizzy?
The Rizzy, yeah.
Nizzy the Rizzy?
Yeah, produced by,
He a producer?
yeah.
Oh,
You know the motherfucker.
oh shit, I didn't even see that. Oh, it's a whole gate. They bust down the gate and shit.
No, they've been there. I do this every day when I come here to work.
You fuck with old schools, cuz?
Yeah.
This bitch crispy. That motherfucker crispy. Got the IA with the dogs cleaned up. IA with the doors up. That motherfucker crispy. And it's a roaster, bro. That bitch crispy.
I ain't gonna lie. Send me the videos of the car, okay?
That motherfucker crispy. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Oh yeah, this shit crazy. This shit crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That shit crazy. They got the collector license plates on all these motherfuckers too. That's crazy. Yeah, this bitch crispy. Ooh. Yeah, cause they got plenty of shit out here. I ain't gonna lie.